Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with nTask for recurring project tasks, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.ntaskmanager.com and press enter. Once the nTask homepage loads, locate the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be prompted to fill in your details. Enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Once you have filled in all required fields, click on the Create Account button. After your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the email from nTask and follow the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the nTask homepage and click the Login button. Input your email and password, then click on Login to access your dashboard. In your dashboard, navigate to the Projects tab on the left side menu. Click on Create New Project to start setting up your recurring tasks. Fill in the project name, description, and any other relevant details. Scroll down to find the option for Recurring Tasks. Enable the Recurring Tasks feature by toggling the switch. Select the frequency of your recurring tasks, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Set the start date and end date for the recurring tasks, if applicable. You can also add task details such as assignees, due dates, and priority levels. After inputting all task details, click the Save button to create your project. Your new project with recurring tasks is now set up and ready to use. You can view it in the projects list on your dashboard. To manage or edit your project later, simply click on the project name. This concludes the registration and setup process for recurring project tasks in nTask. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.